few slices of pizza later. We're back on the road. Yeah, 2 hours and 15 minutes. I couldn't even tell you where I'm at. Alrighty guys, we made it to Tampa Bay, Florida. Just checked into the Airbnb. Thank God I have an Airbnb tonight. I'm so sick of camping. But yeah, we're actually gonna go to the Dirty Shame. It is the bar that Sadetree Surgeon works at. He's always saying, come to the bar, so we're gonna go check it out. Shit. Maybe he'll be there, that'd be sick. It's like 14 minutes away from my Airbnb. Isn't that crazy? That's why I was like, ah, fuck it, I'll just go. Oh, look at this art. We got art, yeah. Reminds me of Miami. Haha, there it is. The Dirty Shame.
Came here because I'm sure you get a lot of people coming here from shade trees. Josh, yeah. He's not here right now. He's actually, he rode back with. Oh, really? Okay.
Alrighty, the Dirty Shame. This is it. Josh is not here, or Sadetree Surgeon is not here. Other than in sticker form. Yeah, he's not here. He just went last night. He just left to go to Georgia, I think it was. Georgia? So I missed him, but that's all right. That is all right. I wrote him a message, drew him a picture. Alrighty. The Dirty Shame. Had a couple beers. It's a nice place. I like it. Dude. It's the fucking Ride Factory. I've only ever seen this in Sadetree and Shalice's YouTube. It's crazy. I feel like a little fanboy. This is pretty crazy. It's weird. As you can see, it's pouring. And I am in the middle of fucking nowhere, broke the fuck down. I pulled the seat off, got to the battery, disconnected the battery. Basically, just pulled off because I wanted to cover some stuff up because it started to rain and can't get it started. So it just wouldn't start, wouldn't crank over, nothing. So I tried jumping it, it jumped. But the RPMs were like shooting up really high, doing some weird shit. So I revved it just a little bit and it ended up cutting off. So jumping it's not working. So I'm disconnected the battery. Hopefully it'll reset. Yeah, in the middle of fucking nowhere. Don't have any help, but I guess I'll figure it out. Get back to you guys with another update. Stopped raining a little bit. Actually, it stopped raining completely, which is good. It's just super wet out. Couldn't get it started, couldn't fix it. Got a tow truck that's coming. Of course, I'm in the middle of nowhere, so it's expensive as hell. But I got a tow truck coming. They're gonna tow me to Sky Power Sports, which is a Yamaha dealership, and hopefully they'll get my shit fixed. I'm about to spend way too much money to get this fixed. I don't know what happened. I don't know what the problem is, but I'll keep you guys updated. So I made it to the tow truck. Got it all strapped up back there. Headed to Sky Power Sports, and he said they'll be able to squeeze me in and see what the problem is. Alright, well, what a change of events. So I got picked up by a tow truck. The tow truck took me to Sky Power Sports, which is a really cool place, but they said that they couldn't work on the bike until Thursday. It's Tuesday. So I'd have to figure out a place to stay here, which is in the middle of nowhere. And then after they diagnose it Thursday, they said that the part that they think it is will be 5 to 6 business days. So they wouldn't get it until probably not next week, but the week after that. Instead, I'm not gonna fix the bike. I bought a U-Haul truck, a 10-foot U-Haul truck. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow at 12, and it's like 7 minutes away from here. Checkout here, I'm at a hotel. Checkout here is at 11, so it kind of works out perfectly. And yeah, I have to return the U-Haul Sunday, but I definitely probably gonna make it back to North Carolina. Probably either tomorrow, hopefully, or the next day, so. Whew, what a fucking thing, dude. I sat at that gas station, broke down for like 5 hours, bro. I got there at like 11, and the tow truck didn't get there until like 4:30-ish. So, exhausted. The adventure still continues, just not on the bike, but with the bike, so. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So we got the U-Haul, baby. Got the U-Haul, just picked it up, about to go pick up the bike. What a change of plans. Hey, you never know what's gonna happen, bro. That's what I'm saying, like, this life is so unexpected, and like, yeah, like 3 months ago I couldn't even tell you I was gonna go on this trip, so I'm kinda okay with whatever happens, really. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up the bike, and yeah, shit happens for a reason. So maybe this change of events like saved my life. Who knows? Or is gonna grant me more opportunities of some kind. I don't know. So. Alrighty guys, we are on the road. Been driving about an hour and a half. We got 2 hours and 17 minutes left. I'm like making myself at home in here and be like living in this U-Haul for 2 days. So I'm about to just pull over, get some gas, and then check the bike. So made it to the spot for tonight. We're in Georgia, so halfway there. I'm about to open this up and see if she made it. Let's see. It's a new day, baby. New day. We got 5 hours and 4 minutes left. I'll be home, so we're making it. Yeah, I just want everybody to know that I will be continuing the journey. Like, the journey has not ended. If that's with this bike fixed or with another bike, like, I will make it work. Yeah, this is just temporary. I just couldn't stay in that, like, in the middle of nowhere in that town for like 3 weeks or 2 weeks waiting for parts. Alrighty, so we made it to Raleigh in one piece.
Alrighty guys, I hope you guys can hear me. I haven't had the GoPro set up on the helmet in a while, so I'm not sure if things are running properly. But basically, I think where I left off was I had the U-Haul and I got it here. Well, I think I figured out what the problem was. So I was diagnosing it. I was like doing some tests on the battery and the stator and all this other bullshit. Well, I came to the conclusion that the stator was working, but it kind of wasn't just giving the right voltage. Like it wasn't pumping the right. It was pumping too much energy to the battery. So what we did was assume that it was the stator. Or not the stator, excuse me. So what we did was assume that it was the rectifier, which is the piece of metal that goes, that the energy passes through before it goes from the stator to the battery. It goes through the rectifier. So we think it was the rectifier. So I ordered one. It took like 3 days maybe, and I put it on. Super simple. It's this piece down here. It's just 2 bolts and 2 plugs. Super simple. So I did that, and I mean, it runs. I got a new battery. When I put a new battery in, it runs fine. But it's because it's powered by that new battery. Once that battery dies, I'm shit out of luck. So today is the test to see if the battery lasted all throughout the night. It should have, but as you can see, I'm running light. I don't have all my gear. Just got the bare essentials with me while I'm doing some running around and stuff. But yeah, alright. Here goes nothing. Need gas too. Well, she's running. I guess we'll see, because the morning it broke down. I started in the morning and it worked. Everything worked fine. So, but I rode for like an hour on the highway, and then once I got off the highway, that's when she stopped working. So. Word. This fucking guy. Well, guys, I failed at the adventure. I did. I know I did. I'm aware of this failure, but I tried, and that's what all that matters. And I'm not done. So I will be back out on the road here shortly. Definitely gonna be out on the road. Get the bolt back out on the road. Get her road ready again, and we'll go explore more of the country. But for now, I gotta take it down a little notch. You know, I gotta kind of be responsible, although I don't want to. Do what's smart, you know. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and probably the last video of this series, just until I get back out on the road. Well, the last video for a while. I'll definitely start it back up, but yeah, it's not going to be an episode. It's going to be a moto vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, all the love and support is like greatly appreciated. I know that like I failed, and like you guys are gonna be probably all bummed out and shit, but I'm not done. So stay tuned to kind of see what happens with my situation. I'll share everything. I'm kind of trying to be pretty transparent about this whole thing. I don't want to like bullshit y'all and lie to you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, have a lovely day and a beautiful time enjoying this paradise we live in. So yeah, later guys.